My Cobra Mustang cranks but won't stay running unless I use starter fluid. Let's try to fix her. First, we have to take these parts out. Trunk liner, loosen fuel neck, gas tank straps. Oops, forgot to drain the leftover gas. Loosen all connections. Drop the rusted out gas tank. Hammer out the lock ring. Install new fuel pump in the new tank. Stick on the new anti-vibration pads. New fuel filter. Jack up the new fuel tank and reconnect all the lines and electronics.
Go, boy!
Now let's do a burnout for the boys. Oh shit!